Yeah. Now, uh, let's write first Python program using Jupyter Notebook. Yeah. So once you install once you install Anaconda Python, team, you will get a Jupyter Notebook by default. You no need to install Jupyter Notebook manually. You no need to install Jupyter Notebook manually. You will get a Jupyter Notebook with Anaconda Python. Assume Jupyter Notebook not installed. You can use pip install pip install Jupyter space notebook. You can use this command to install Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter space notebook. Use this command to install Jupyter Notebook. If Jupyter Notebook not installed, use this command to install Jupyter Notebook. But by default, when you install Anaconda Python, you will get a Jupyter Notebook. Okay. I want to write a first Python program using Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Then first to create a workspace. First to create a workspace. So I have created workspace in C drive. Okay. Go to C drive. Go to C drive. Here I have created one folder called workspace. In this I have created a folder for Python for AWS or AWS data engineering. Let's say I'm creating folder Python for AWS data engineering, and I am saying this is my uh, Python for AWS data engineering workspace. Let's click on this folder, place cursor here, then type cmd. It will open a command prompt. In this command prompt, type Jupyter space notebook. Jupyter space notebook. It will start a Jupyter and opens a web user interface. Jupyter notebook is a web user interface. Let's wait a few seconds. It is going to start web user interface. Yeah, you can see Jupyter notebook web user interface. Here, here you can see new and click on Python. It will open a new tab. And here I'm giving title is Python for AWS data engineering. Let's say VI. Then click on rename. And here you can see this is cell. This is a cell. And here we write the Python statements. We can write one statement. We can write multiple statements. You can see blue color. It means active cell. If you are placing cursor in this cell, you can see blue color means active cell. You can write one statement. You can write multiple statements in this cell. Okay, let me write statements. Let's say here I'm writing this message. Let's say here If you write HTML tags, you can go with here markdown, then click enter. You can use HTML tags also too. Now I'm writing statement. Let's say I'm writing print welcome to Python world. So if you execute a statement, we can see output here. And here to execute a statement in this cell, we can use run button. We can use run button. We can use control key plus enter button, and we can use shift key plus enter button enter button. Then it will run statements here, and you can see it is opening new cell. Once execution is completed, it will enter new cell. Let's say I'm writing A equal to 10, B equal to 20, then result equal to A plus B, then print A, print B, print result, print result. Shift enter, shift enter. When you press shift enter, it will execute all statements in a cell and displays output and moves to next cell. It will execute statements and displays output and moves to next cell. If you use control enter, it executes the statements, displays output. It will not create new cell team. Control enter, execute statements. That's it. It will not enter into new cell. So shift enter executes the statements and displays output and moves to next cell. Let's say remove this one. Just use control enter. You see output, that's it. If you use shift enter, you can see new cell. Control moves to new cell. Clear writing, how to write Python program using Jupyter Notebook. Once we install Jupyter Notebook, then we can start Jupyter Notebook using command called Jupyter space notebook command. Open first to create a workspace, then type a command called Jupyter space notebook. It will open a web user interface. Then here you have a option of new. Click on Python. It will create a new tab. In this, I given a title. Then in cells, I written statements. In cell, you can write one statement. You can write multiple statements. Each cell we can execute using run button, using control enter, using shift enter. Control enter execute statements. It will not move to next cell. But shift enter execute statements, displays output, enter into new cell. And Jupyter Notebook is one of the most used popular IDE for Python and Python based application development.